Yeah. I'll go to the brick.
We're gonna get raped if every one of us is running red.
Yeah. I'm not. I'm running to that barricade.
Okay.
Because I know they're gonna run red too. Yeah.
Well, original Delta, we're running
red.
He's into the left, guys. Kind of almost behind the building there.
Well, we're behind it, depending on which way you look at it.
Behind it? All right.
Does this work? Does this work right here?
Yeah, where you're at, fine. Where these three, not the one. We got 3 to brick.
I'm going,
but it's uphill.
I'm going straight up and then hopefully not getting the
3 to yellow, 2 to brick. Me and him will go to brick.
Just run to the pallets and mow them down before they
Is
get
it blinking right now?
It's blinking.
Okay, I want it recording.
Delta run red.
All you guys going to red? We got like 6 of you.
No, we got 3 people running red. I don't know where you guys are going.
halfway in between.
If no one has a spot, come over here to brick.
Behind red?
We can move back.
They're going behind red.
She said we were good right here.
Oh, never mind. Into the red.
Okay, right here's good.
I got the green down.
Yeah, okay. You guys are heading up that way?
Yeah, we're going right to red.
Get ready, guys.
If I go that one right,
I'll let you up front.
Yeah!
Get up!
I was.
I am.
So, where's it at? Blue flag, straight in front on the barrel. You got a barrel with blue on it. All right. One behind that green tower.
You're gonna want to get here, Jimmy.
You coming here?
Yeah, move down or move up. I don't think you really can. You got a guy behind at the green cover behind the. Can you move up? Go, go. You should be good. Oh, I see you now. You see anyone, Ethan?
I got one of my 12.
What cover?
I don't think he's in cover, but if I...
Oh! Hit! That was a teammate. What the hell? Why the hell did a teammate shoot me? I just got shot from like all the way back there, so a teammate just shot me.
Yellow! Yellow!
I just got shot by a teammate.
Me too.
Because I was getting shot from over there.
That's where I got hit too. I turned around, I'm like,
You three are good to go.
Ethan, other side, up, I got hit. God damn it. Nicked the back of my vest.
I'll go see about it.
Okay, I think we're all good.
Hey, we can get somewhere together. I'll run in front of you. I can block at least a couple rounds for you. You might be able to walk behind and shoot.
Yeah. What? No, I was with the other group. I'm just waiting. Like us three were all here.
You know, you can try to straight run. All right. Guys shooting. Here's the problem. I mean, up there they've got a couple guys up there.
You two are gonna run. The three of us are gonna.
Give me 1 second. Yeah, you guys can try to run. I gotta clean myself.
Okay, I gotta get up to that cover. I gotta try helping out here. I gotta help Ethan. Fuck that. God damn it!
I was at red too.
Okay, we got 3 back here now.
Gotta reevaluate this.
Yeah, no, I told you a little bit ago.
Alright, they're taking red.
Brent! Watch the red building! Okay, I know there's a lot of people.
Medic, we're good, right?
Got a flag!
No.
This guy that ran.
Oh, that guy. I hate high caps, just saying. I hate them.
You're hit. Oh, fuck! Watch out.
What?
Okay, timing's too slow on it anyway. What the? He's hitting us. This thing's hitting hard.
Holy crap!
Someone's shooting too much.
What the hell? A grenade leaked out. Or didn't fill.
Do you have gas on you?
No.
Next time you get out, go fill it. Dalton!
What the
hell are you doing?
Okay, I'm fogging up, I can't see. Charge him!
We need you.
You got a beta.
Not anymore, it's about out. Oh, damn, it got me. Oh, man.
Gotta get to that next cover.
We gotta get to, let's take yellow. I know it's not much, but we need something.
I'm out!
Think I can make yellow?
If you run all the way back and run for your life.
No, I'm gonna run straight over there. Dalton's moving up. We need to cover this. Jemming! I'm coming to you!
Got him. There's a guy around there. Woo! Can't see.
I got hit. Do we have the one flag I got?
Runner! Hey, how can they do that? They're grabbing 2 flags. Thought that was a rule. There's still a few over there too. I couldn't see anyway.
Why'd you do that?
What?